Buongiorno paisani, I'm back with another Sicilian lesson of the week. I want to thank you all for your patience and understanding during this past week. As you all know, if you don't know already, I lost my dad. So I took some time off social media in order to, take it all in and deal with my emotions and what was going on. So the word for today is stranutari. What does it mean? It means to sneeze. And in Italian, it's almost similar. It's stranutire, which also means to sneeze. So when you sneeze and you say, well, stranutavo, or I sneezed, in Italian you say, ho fatto un stranuto. So stranutare is the word. It's a bit difficult to say, but to sneeze in Sicilian is stranutari, and it's almost similar in Italian. So please, I encourage you to continue to watch my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, let's be friends on Facebook, and of course, follow me on Instagram. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu, everybody.